Hello there, Conastantu. Ben from Bite Size Irish here. Today, let's take a bite-sized look at how to say river and some associated terms in Irish. So, the Irish word for river is abhainn. Abhainn. And again, abhainn. If you wanted to say river bank, well, that's brook, abhainn. Brook, abhainn. And again, brook, abhainn. Similar to a river is a stream, and the Irish word for stream is shruthain. Shruthain. And again, shruthain. To say mountain stream, you need shruthain sléibhe. Shruthain sléibhe. And again, shruthain sléibhe. A shruthain sléibhe is a thing that makes a little patter of noise, what we might call a babbling brook in English, and this puts me in mind of an Irish seanchal or proverb that goes sé an shruthain abhainn a labhraíonn go dána. So this is like empty vessels make most noise in English. It translates as it is the shallow stream that speaks boldly. So again, sé an shruthain abhainn a labhraíonn go dána. Sé an shruthain abhainn a labhraíonn go dána. And of course, whether we be speaking of rivers or streams, they're all bodies of water, and the Irish word for water is uisce. Uisce. And one more time, uisce. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's little lesson. From me, Ben, till the next time, slán go fóill. Bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.